Hello everyone. Welcome to our video on how power plants generate the electricity that powers our homes and industries. Today, we'll take you through the fascinating journey of how raw energy sources are transformed into electrical power. Power plants, the heart of our modern world. We use electricity every day. It powers our homes, schools, and cities. Have you ever wondered where this amazing energy comes from? The answer is power plants. They are like giant factories that generate electricity and send it to us through power lines. Power plants are essential for our modern way of life. Imagine a world without lights, computers, or refrigerators. Power plants come in different types, each using a unique fuel source to generate electricity. Some use coal or natural gas to create heat. Others use the power of flowing water or the energy stored within atoms. And some power plants even harness the energy of the sun and wind. Let's explore these fascinating power plants and learn how they bring us the electricity we rely on. Thermal power plants are the most common type of power plant. They use heat to generate electricity. The process starts with burning fuel, like coal or natural gas, in a large furnace. This heat boils water, creating steam. The steam, under high pressure, turns a turbine, which is like a giant fan. The spinning turbine is connected to a generator. This generator uses magnets and coils of wire to produce electricity. It's like a giant bicycle dynamo. Finally, the electricity flows through transformers, which increase the voltage, making it suitable for long-distance transmission. From there, it travels through power lines to our homes and businesses. Hydroelectric power plants utilize the energy of moving water to generate electricity. These plants are often located on rivers or dams. The process begins with water stored at a higher elevation. This water flows downward through large pipes called penstocks. As the water rushes through the penstocks, it hits the blades of a turbine, causing it to spin. The spinning turbine, just like in a thermal power plant, is connected to a generator. The generator converts the mechanical energy of the spinning turbine into electrical energy. This clean and renewable energy source is then transmitted to consumers through power lines, providing a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. Nuclear power plants. Energy from atoms. Nuclear power plants generate electricity through nuclear fission. This process involves splitting the nucleus of an atom, usually uranium. The splitting releases a tremendous amount of heat. This heat is used to produce steam, similar to thermal power plants. The steam then drives a turbine connected to a generator, producing electricity. Nuclear power plants are known for their high energy output and low greenhouse gas emissions. However, they require careful management of nuclear waste, making safety a paramount concern in their operation. Solar power plants. Capturing sunlight's energy. Solar power plants harness the sun's energy to generate electricity. They use photovoltaic cells, also known as solar panels. These panels are made of special materials that convert sunlight directly into electricity. When sunlight hits the solar panels, it knocks electrons loose from atoms. These loose electrons create an electric current. This direct current, or DC electricity, is then converted into alternating current, or AC electricity, which is the type of electricity used in our homes. Solar power is a clean and renewable energy source, and its use is continually growing as technology advances and costs decrease. Wind power plants. Using the wind's force. Wind power plants capture the kinetic energy of wind and transform it into electricity. These plants use wind turbines, which are tall towers with blades resembling giant airplane propellers. As the wind blows, it causes the blades to rotate. The rotating blades turn a shaft connected to a generator located inside the turbine's housing. The generator converts the mechanical energy of the spinning shaft into electrical energy. This electricity is then sent down the tower and collected for distribution on the electrical grid. Wind power, like solar power, is a clean and renewable energy source that reduces our reliance on fossil fuels. The importance of diverse energy sources. Power plants are the backbone of our modern society, providing the electricity that powers our lives. From the heat generated by burning fossil fuels to the kinetic energy of wind and water and the radiant energy of the sun, we have developed ingenious ways to harness nature's power. Each type of power plant comes with its own advantages and disadvantages. Thermal power plants, while efficient, rely on finite fossil fuels and contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Hydroelectric plants provide clean energy but can impact aquatic ecosystems. Nuclear power offers high energy output but requires careful waste management. Renewable sources like solar and wind power hold immense promise for a sustainable future, but depend on geographical factors and weather patterns. As we move toward a future powered by diverse and sustainable energy sources, understanding how power plants work is crucial. By embracing innovation and investing in renewable energy technologies, we can ensure a brighter and more sustainable future for generations to come.